In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Fortinet on your Mac. Whether you're clearing up space or moving on to a different security solution, uninstalling Fortinet can be straightforward if you know the steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to ensure that FortiClient, the application associated with Fortinet, is not currently running. To do this, open your Applications folder. You can easily do this by clicking on the Finder icon located in your dock and then navigating to Applications. Once you're there, locate FortiClient. If it's running, you'll want to quit the application before proceeding. Simply right-click on the FortiClient icon and select Quit from the drop-down menu. Now, let's see if there's an easy way to uninstall it. Sometimes FortiClient provides a built-in uninstaller, which is the best way to remove the app completely. To find this, look for an option labeled Uninstall Fortinet. If you see it, go ahead and open it. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the process. You might be prompted to enter your Mac's password to authorize the uninstallation, so be ready to do that. However, if you don't find an uninstall option directly within the application, there's no need to worry. You can still remove FortiClient manually. In the Applications folder, simply click and drag the FortiClient icon to the trash. This method works in many cases, but keep in mind that it might not remove every single file associated with the application. If your FortiClient is managed by your organization, it might be a good idea to reach out to your IT administrator. They can offer additional guidance or perform the uninstallation for you, ensuring all associated files are removed. Once you've dragged FortiClient to the trash, make sure to empty the trash to permanently delete the application from your system. To do this, right-click on the trash icon in your dock and select Empty Trash. This step is crucial to reclaim the storage space and ensure that FortiClient is completely removed from your Mac. And there you have it. With those steps, you should have successfully uninstalled Fortinet from your Mac. If you're looking to install a different security application, now's the time to do so. Remember to always keep your system protected with up-to-date security solutions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.